Good day my Stitchy family and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another fabulous unboxing from Outdoortide. That is www.outdoortide.com. Now you guys know Outdoortide by this time. They're amazing shop. The customer service is excellent, products are amazing, and their shipping is super quick. Now Outdoortide, they do sell our favorite cross stitch, diamond paintings, paint by numbers, and all the tools and accessories that goes with that. Now if you order for over $59 by Outdoortide, you get free shipping. And if you want to save a little bit more, you use my discount code, and that is Rella15 off. Yes, 15% off. That is a lot. So that's a lot of savings. They also still running a sale where you can get 13% off, but you can get 15% off with my code. And remember, that's Rella15 off. And if you want to use the 13% one, the code is OOT13. Now that is not all. If you order over $39 like you see on the screen from Outdoortide, you get one free blind box. Remember to add that to your cart, and it's just fabulous. So everything I told you I will leave in my description box. Also I will leave the link to the product I'm gonna show you. Alrighty then, so let's just do this. It's amazing. So as you can see there, it is a beautiful picture, and it is from Spring. Yeah, it's a Spring branded cross stitch, so it is the best of the best. They're very good. Now standard with your Spring kit, there's a few different ones you get. Just want to check this. If you get an envelope, this is a reusable envelope with a press stud in the back, and there's a little barcoded sticker with the product code and number in the front. If you see a line dangling, sorry, my cat is sleeping and she's moving. Alright, so this specific envelope, if you get boxes or envelopes. If you get an envelope like this, that's got this green on, what does that mean? It means Egyptian cotton. It's also same with the boxes. You get a red box, or it's like red maroon, then it's normal ecological cotton, and if you get a green box, it is Egyptian cotton. Alright, so this one is 14 count 50 by 61 centimeters with the lotus and the butterflies. We'll get to the colors now. There's a little bit of back stitching there, not so much. The lotuses has got a bit of back stitching. I just want to see if our butterflies, yeah, the butterflies also a bit of back stitching. Okay, so let's have a look see. Oh, there's a lot. Okay, that's plain, half stitch, back stitch, mixed stitch. Oh, this is an interesting one, guys. So we are working with 80 colors. Now that's a lot of colors. It's very nice. So there is 80 colors in full stitch. Then we've got back stitch. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors in mixed stitch. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches in half stitch. And there's 4 pages. It's going to be a very interesting stitch. Very nice. Alright, so let's put this back. Then with our pattern we get an A4 double side printed instruction leaflet, or tips and tricks, whatever you see it as. I put it away as I go, otherwise it just becomes a mess. There we go. Alright, so what I like about Spring is they do put our Ada separate. Why is this important? Because this part, if it does get wet, the other things you can still save, you can get, but the Ada you cannot save. All the printing will go off when you change it into a, count it, yes. Okay, so beautiful white Ada. Oh, I thought it's gonna be much bigger, but it's not. It is beautiful though. Look at that. Very easy. Not confettied. It's just easy. Really easy. Nice. Very, very nice. I see that here in the corner, it doesn't look like you're stitching. There's no open white here. Just hold on. Okay, so this corner you don't, it's partial and it's fabulous. So it is serged all the way around for our convenience. On the top is your code and your name, a spring brand, 100-year celebration. I told you they're older now. They're older than 100 years. It is 212 by 282 stitches. The printing is exceptional. Very, very good. Let me show you. Oh, very, very pretty. Look at that. 14 count, clear as daylight, right? I have not... For me, printing wise, spring printing is the best. Spring printing, because even on their 16 count, spring printing is fabulous. There's never ever been something you can't read. The spring printing is just excellent. They know what they're doing with printing. It is fabulous. Look at that. Amazing, right? Amazing. I absolutely adore this. Alrighty then, so let's have a look at the beautiful threads. Oh my stitchy soul, it is magnificent and it's Egyptian cotton. Now I'm just looking for my needles. There. Alright, so you get 2 spring needles attached to your color card. They're there. Let's have a look at these colors. This is 1 to 16. Amazing, right? And then we've got 17. What? Sorry. No, man, that was 1 to 30. This is 31 to 60. Ugh. The brain is not braining properly yet after the illness, but it's getting there. Look at that. Fabulous colors. Just want to see what's so short here. Oh, it's just one that's uneven here, but it must just be pulled right. Very, very beautiful colors. Let's have a look at the last color card. And this one is 61 to 82. Alright, there's 82 colors. So these colors come in play with your mixed stitches, half stitches, or your back stitches. So 82. This is a fabulous, fabulous stitch. Amazing, right? Alright, so while I show them to you together, I want to ask if it's the first time watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button if you would be so kind. It's for free. By doing that, you are motivating me to make more videos like this for you. Also, it's for free. While you at it, hit that like button and leave me a comment. I will get back to you personally. Alright, so this is the only one I'm showing you in today's video. It is fabulous. I love it. Thank you so much, Outdoortide. This is an amazing, amazing kit. And then I just want to thank you guys. Yes, you guys watching me. Thank you for always watching me. Thank you for all your support and love. I really appreciate it with my whole heart. Alright, till next time then, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.